You hate ads? I hate ads. You know what I like? Patreon.com/inkdependence keeps this blog ad-free. Hey folks, welcome to inkdependence.com. I'm Mike, and today we're taking a look at this. Another unboxing. I know, it's been a big week in pens. These are a couple that we have been waiting on a little bit. This one is for me, and it comes from Dromgoole's Pens in Houston, Texas. If you haven't had a chance to get to Dromgoole's and you're anywhere near Houston, Texas, definitely give that place a try, because Dromgoole's is a great store. And Michael Dromgoole was kind enough to send this out for me to check out and to show to y'all. And it was a pen that I was gonna buy anyway, because I really wanted this one. This is a pen that I don't have one of these, even this model. This is the new 580 in Prussian blue. What do we have here? Bearing grease not included. Do not clean out the grease. All right. Okay, interesting. What's this? Cool. Let's get this pen out of here. Come on out. All right, so I have several TWSBI pens. Like, I'm not new to TWSBI in any way. As y'all have just seen a couple of reviews on TWSBI stuff. But I don't have a 580. I have had 530. I've got a couple of 700s. I've got a few Ecos. I've got a Go. I don't have any of the 580s or the ALs. This is technically a 580 AL-R, and the R, I believe, is for revision because they have changed some things about it. There we go. Get that open. This is a pretty pen. Oh, wow. Yeah. I'm super happy about this one. Is there stuff underneath here? Yeah, as usual, we have the little TWSBI wrench, and we have some grease here. Now, this is not for the bearings, as it says. This is for the piston. It's the kind of grease you don't use for things like eyedroppering. This is a piston grease. And there we have it. This is the TWSBI 580 Prussian blue. Oh, that is... Look at that. 580 AL-R, made in Taiwan. All that stuff there. Nice TWSBI branding in there. I actually don't mind that. I think it's kind of bold. Looks nice. I really dig this. You got the little ridges at the top, which weren't on the original 580s. I think the nib on here, yep, it's a medium. Oh, that's a nice feel. This has a nice little bit of ridging. Let's see if we can hear it. Yeah, like a record scratch. We're good. Nice. Let's see if this moves. Totally does. See a little bit of piston grease on there. Nice. Yeah. This looks good. I am looking forward to putting some ink in this. Let's see if this comes off, right? Yep. Does. You take this stuff apart if you want to. This is really great for cleaning because you can take a syringe and just blast water into the barrel instead of trying to just work the piston up and down a million times, which is hecka annoying, I gotta say. All right, this actually has a very nice feel to it. I like the way that it has this this fluted section, has a bit of a flare here before you get to the nib. The nib, this is their smaller nib, like a 5.5 or something, I think. But I think it fits this pen nicely. And yeah, I really dig that Prussian blue color, which is kind of hard to get online as well. Like, it's kind of it's more of a teal than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be more of a blue. Let's see, do I have a blue pen around here? I kind of don't have a blue pen. I don't have very many. Maybe I don't have any blue pens. Oh wait, what's this? Here's a blue pen. Found one. There we go. This is a Shown Design Pocket 6, which you can also get at Dromgoole's. Definitely check those out. But you can see the difference between the blue and the teal there. All right, cool. So be on the lookout for a review of this guy in the near-ish future. I got to give it a little time to get used to, test it out, put it through its paces, that sort of thing. But I will be having a review on this one. So thank you very much to Dromgoole's for sending this out. I really appreciate it, and I'm looking forward to using this guy. And if you have questions about how these are, let me know, because I can probably help you out with answering those. I think I'm going to like this AL. It's got a good bit more weight than the regular one did too, I think, just in the hand. But I'll weigh stuff. All right, that'll be in the review. I'll see y'all later. Peace out.